Hi viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to explain the set methods, union, intersection, difference and symmetric difference. In previous video, I explained the set methods 1 to 7. So let me show you the code. Please walk through with me. So before starting the code execution, let me explain what is union, intersection, symmetric difference and difference. So here you can see I have two sets of information is there. Set 1 having some elements and set 2. So if you want to find what are the common elements between these two sets and what are the different elements only in the set 1 that was not present in the set 2, in those scenarios we are going to use these methods. So just let me copy this information. Please wait. So first we will see what is union. Union is nothing but it unifies the both sets. That means it will take only the unique elements from the set 1 and set 2, no repeated elements. So just take this information. This is set 1 and this is set 2. So what is union means it is going to unify the set 1 and set 2. All elements. All unique elements from the set 1 and set 2. So you are going to get the output. 10 is a common element from the set 1 and set 2. So it is going to take one unique value only, 10. 20 is also common element. So it won't take the duplicate. So 20. And Java, Python and 1000. 100, C++ and Ruby. So these all are the unique elements of the set 1 and set 2. Next, intersection. What is intersection? Intersection means the common elements between the set 1 and set 2. Just take the example here. This is set 1 and this is set 2. And this is the common area between these two. This we can call it as a intersection. So what are the common elements in the set 1 and set 2? 10 and 20. So these are the intersection values. Next, what is difference? Maybe this is like a set 1 and this is set 2. If I want to see only what are the different elements in the set 1, those are not present in the set 2. If I am writing like a print statement, set 1 dot difference of set 2. So here what I am writing, I want to see only the different elements in the set 1. So you can simply say that this is the way. Only in set 1 different elements. So what are the set 1 different elements? Here you can see 10 and 20 is a common element. So Java, you can check it in the set 1, Python and 1000 is the only the different elements in the set 1. Next, if I am writing the code like this, what are the different elements in the set 2? This is set 1 and set 2. If I am writing like a print statement, set 2 dot difference of set 1. That means I want to see only the set 2 different elements. Then you can see, you can draw like a Venn diagram like this. Only the different elements in the set 2. Let's check what are the different elements. 100 and you have like a Ruby, because that element was not there in the set 1. So Ruby and C++. These are the different elements in the set 2. So what is symmetric difference? Symmetric element means what are the different elements in the set 1 and set 2 except intersection area, except the common elements. So if you want to see what are the different elements in the set 1 and set 2 except the intersection, then you can write like a print of set 1 dot, this is set 1 and this is set 2. So you can write like a set 1 dot symmetric difference of, you write like a difference of set 2. It is going to write the information Java. The different elements in the set 1 is Java, Python, 1000, and continued with the different elements in the set 2, 100, Ruby, C++. Now let me show you the code. So here if you directly write like a print of set 1 dot union of set 2, execute, you can see all unique elements in set 1 and set 2. There is no repeated elements. Next, what is intersection? Intersection means common elements between the two sets. So if I am writing the code, just take this print statement. I don't want to write again. So just I am going to change the method name here, that is intersection. You can execute and see. The common elements between the set 1 and set 2 is 10, 20. So now let me show you what are the different elements. So let's just 1 minute. So what are the different elements only in the set 1 that was not in the set 2? Just take this example. I want to see what are the, you just change the method name here, difference. So I want to see only in the set 1 different values. That you can see only 1000, Python and Java. 10 and 20 is a common element. Let's write if you want to see what are the different elements in the set 2 that was not in the set 1. So set 2, you can write like a set 1, you can see C++, 100 and Ruby. These are the different elements in the set 2. Now take the symmetric difference. That means if you want to see what are the different elements in the set 1 and set 2 both, you can write like a print of set 1 dot symmetric difference of set 2. Now you can see. So according to your requirement, if you want to see only what are the different elements in the set 1, then you can go with the difference method. And if you want to see at a time both what are the different elements in the set 1 and set 2, then go for the symmetric difference. Symmetric difference is nothing but the different elements of the set 1 and set 2 except the intersection area, except the common elements. So these are the methods in this video. In next video, I am going to show you the rest of the set methods. So please follow my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you in next video.